Ciao guys, if you're new here, my name is Alex Benamosi and today we're doing a product review on the remote, the GoPro remote. Welcome. The star of this video, guys, is not the GoPro 8, but it's actually the remote, the new remote. So what have they done here? They've done this incredible device, which I really, love. I kind of like been using for a couple of weeks now. I think it's a valid time to sort of like do a review. So how does that work? We've got to start with 4 buttons. So we've got the shutter on and off. We've got the mode, which is the mode selection that you'll find, when you scroll on your GoPro to change from video to photos so that's what that does. And then we finally got the settings. So 4 buttons in total. To sync, or let's say to pair this with your GoPro, press in there to turn it on. One click, that goes on. And the thing I really like is that you can connect up to 5 GoPros and control them individually with just this device. So anyway, let's go back to pairing a new device. I'm going to turn on my GoPro, one click there. The GoPro goes on, and then I'm flipping back to the side. So going back to the side, and what I want at this point is to go to preferences. So I'm swiping down, preferences, one click there. And I'm looking for connections, one click in connections. Finally, what are we looking for? Connect device. And then I'm looking for the remote. So I'm getting the remote. To confirm, I just need to click the shutter. Again, if I want to move up and go down to orientation or language, I'm going to use basically the mode and the settings as my up and down. So you can see that if I click that, I'm going down. If I click that one back, I'm into pair mode. So what I want to do now is to just confirm that with a click. Pairing mode, okay, activated. And then now what I want to do is to bring my GoPro and then simply click remote. So it's looking for that. It found it immediately, and now it's connecting. Connected. So it's just as easy as that. So now let's have a look. If I press my mode here, then that is switching to photo. You can see in the background what's happening with the GoPro, time lapse, video, and so on. So for example, if I want to go into the settings of the photos, then that's when I will click my settings. So if I click settings, these are the options you get, your live, burst, night, and so on. So if I want to move up and down, again, I'm clicking this and I'm going up and down. And then when I'm happy with a choice, all I need to do is just save to photos, for example, confirm with my shutter, and then I can point at something and simply click to take the picture. And that is done. If I wanted to shut down my GoPro, again, this is something that you can just do by simply pressing and holding that, the mode option, and that will turn off only your GoPro. But the really powerful thing here is this. I can turn my GoPro on by simply clicking that on button. So I'm clicking the shutter, that is looking for the GoPro, is searching a signal, you'll find a signal, and eventually we will get the GoPro turning on. Nice, that's it. So it's kind of handy if you're shooting, from the car. So you've got the GoPro mounted outside of the car, and then you're driving, and then you've got, the passenger, which is dealing with the setting and stuff like that. So you don't really need to stop the car, open, turn it on, coming back in the car, turn back, switch it off. You can just do everything from this guy. So nice, it's nice. One more time, just go through how it works. Mode, settings, on and off. So if I want to turn off this device instead, then it's a matter of me. Let's switch off the GoPro first. Press and hold, power that off. And then if I want to switch him off, so the remote off, all I need to do is just to press and hold here, and that will power off our remote. So that's a quick overview, guys, and a quick review on the GoPro Remote. I really like it. I think I'll get to a point where I want to test it out with multiple GoPros. Again, I'm with the GoPro 8 because there's still some issues with the GoPro 9, so that's the main reason why I'm not changing it at the moment. But I can connect up to 5 GoPros to this remote and I can control them individually. So the start of this video was the remote. Hope you found the video interesting. If so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I will see you the next time. Bye.